Hello, this is FoodMangga and we will cook one of our favorite Filipino food, pork sinigang. It is a delicious sour soup with lots of vegetables. The common type of meat used are fish, pork, and shrimp. It is often to assume that it is the national food of the Philippines because it is commonly cooked in houses and served in many restaurants. The recipes are pork ribs, radish, onion, taro root, okra, eggplant, string beans, tomato, long chili, and water spinach, for flavor, we will use fish sauce, tamarind soaked in warm water, 4 cups of water, salt, and pepper. First, heat vegetable oil in a pan. We will sear the pork rib so it will create a low burn flavor that will go to our soup. You can also use different cuts of pork, but for me, the best cuts are the ones with bones in it. We use meat with bones because they are thick and hearty. They have a lot of flavor to offer up. If you're using shrimp or fish, you can skip this part. After 3 to 5 minutes, turn the meat on the other side. With low heat on a separate pot, we will put the seared meat. I do this so our soup will not get too oily. Now we add our water. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Once it is boiling, we can add our sampalok or tamarind soaked in warm water. Then 1/4 cup of fish sauce. Cover, then cook for 10 minutes. Get some water in the pot and put it in our tamarind, then repeat it for another 2 to 3 times to make it more sour. Now we add our onion, then taro root, and wait for another 5 minutes until it boils. After that, we can put the string beans and okra. Let us wait for another 5 minutes. Now we can add our eggplant, tomatoes, and radish. If you think that your soup does not have enough water, add more. I actually add 1 more cup of water after I stir them. Then wait for another 10 minutes until your soup is boiling. We will add our water spinach, and then long chilies. Mix it well. Add a little salt and lastly pepper to taste. Cover and wait for the last 5 to 10 minutes. Now, our delicious pork sinigang is done. This dish is best paired with hot rice. Aside from tamarind, there are also different kinds of sinigang. Some use guava, watermelon, star fruit, kamyas, and pineapple as their souring ingredients. Try this recipe and I promise you it tastes good. Taste the food that you love, eat well. For any suggestion for the next dish that we need to cook, just comment down below. Have a great day and thank you for watching.